Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Blink sync module failed to connect in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to make sure that the sync module is powered on. You can also check the LED light and it should be blinking blue or solid green during the setup. If there is no light, you can just try a different USB cable or adapter. After doing so, you just have to also check the Wi-Fi network. Blink devices usually work only on the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and not the 5 gigahertz. So you need to make sure that your router is connected to 2.4 gigahertz network. Also, your phone should also be connected to the same network during the setup. Now you need to place the sync module closer to your router because the weak signal or any kind of interference can prevent it from connecting properly. Then you can also perform a reset if none of the methods are working for you or if you are feeling any kind of setup error. So you need to simply take a look at this power button and you need to press and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. After this time duration, you just have to wait for the LED to flash and then you can set it up again from the Blink application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching.